Hi guys, I'm going to be not really programming for Windows for a while, just because I'm programming for iOS and I really like making stuff I can touch and bring around and show people. But I will be making a beginner's programming course in C#. It's going to be on Video Orchard's channel. He's going to pay me to make it. If he doesn't pay me, then probably just going to upload the videos to another channel, because they're all professionally done, right? And this channel here is just kind of like a document of my life. It's not really C# programming specific, and it's not quite professional. But I do plan on making a sheerly professional channel just for C# courses. I'm actually going to make like a beginner to advanced course, like everything I know comfortably. That would be pretty cool. And once I get into Monotouch, once I get good at Monotouch, I'm going to make a video course for Monotouch C# programming. There's not a lot of videos out there, and the resources are very low for Monotouch, so I'm certain that'll help a lot of people. And currently been making apps. I'll show you some apps that I've been making. There's it's non-stop problems with Monotouch, and you really just gotta Google it and look all this stuff up on Stack Overflow to see what's going on. But it's still pretty cool. I like writing in C#. Okay, so here is a bit of memory. This is a memory game that I've taken from Windows. Just something I created for Windows as a practice. Basically, you got to remember a bit sequence. If you type it in wrong, the screen flips one way, and it says your score sideways for some reason. So score is 4, and the sequence is 1000, so 1000, and a high score. Haven't really done that yet. And then you hit new session, it flips the other way, and it starts again. It's very simple. It's a good practice app. It's going to be probably my first app that I release to the App Store, but I have something better than that, that's cooler, that I'm not going to release to the App Store. I'll show you that in a second. I actually don't have it on my iPad right now because it's just I've been using it in the simulator, so I'm going to put it on my iPad so I can show you. So I finally got it uploaded. It's called View Sandbox, and it's for playing around with all of your UI views, whatever you want. I currently couldn't load the Monotouch assembly, which has all the predefined UI views. It's not working on the device, but I still have my own defined views. Now, the views have to have a constructor that takes no parameters. Currently, I only have one UI view defined that takes no parameters, and that's the bool cell here. So I'm going to select that. Its properties are going to load up in this property grid that I'm working on. And then the control itself will show in the scroll view here, and we'll load into the scroll view. So we've got our scale factor. It's not really going to reflect, so I'm not going to change that. That's an integer. Then we've got a blank cell here. That's just a type that I haven't accounted for. I currently only account for booleans, enumerations, and with the ones with the text boxes, those are strings and numbers. So here is an enum. I'm working on an enum editor here. Of course, I can't get the view to properly rotate, and it displays all of the possible enums. I'm hopefully going to select the ones that are set and allow you to deselect and select them appropriately if they're flags. Then you just hit done below, and hopefully that'll apply properly someday. And so the bools are really simple. You just click on the switch here and it changes up stuff. So I can hide this control, and then down here we've got an alpha. It's something that we can adjust that will reflect. So I'm going to change the alpha to 0.4. You'll see that it reflects right in the control there. Plans for this are having the events, of course, in the same view, same parent view, and having the events displayed in this text area, like when they fire and what their name is, and hopefully having that and the names or descriptions for the events and the property somewhere down here as well. Unfortunately, I don't think I can get the names of the properties. It's not working out and doing it very properly, and it's not really working for me. Yeah, Reflections is not perfect in Monotouch, but it's better than I thought it would be, for sure. It's working very well. If you would like the source for this, I can put it on my website on like a Monotouch page or something. It's really scrappy, and it's built with Monotouch 5.2.9 with iOS SDK 5.1 with Xcode 4.3.3.